Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
Well, hey, good morning and welcome to all of our fans from out of town. Maybe joining us for the first time here at Bristol Motor Speedway. We welcome you to our area. Check out what's going on this morning at Bristol Motor Speedway. Well, not a whole lot to check out on our camera because it's so foggy out there across the region thanks to some of the rain we had yesterday and the clear skies, light winds. That's the recipe for some fog to form. Temperatures this morning are in the mid-60s. It's a pretty comfortable morning across the area with a dew point around 65 as well. Max alert radar is sweeping clear. Check out this right here. This is kind of neat. This is what we call a bird roost ring. The little ring coming out here, those are actually birds leaving the nest this morning, and the radar beam is bouncing off them and picking it up this morning. It's not rain, it's actually birds, because the radar can detect anything that's really in the air. Cold front that brought us the rain yesterday, but well, that's well east of us now. We're not expecting any more rain today. That is the good news. So here's your day planner for Saturday. A little bit of patchy fog this morning, but partly cloudy skies this afternoon. Temperatures head on up into the 80s, 88 degrees later this afternoon. Very warm and not as humid. Town by town, here's what we're expecting for Saturday afternoon. Around 88 in the metro. We're expecting upper to mid 80s across northeast Tennessee with around 84 in Mountain City, 86 in Irwin, and 89 in Greenville. Southwest Virginia checking in around the same, a little bit cooler in some spots. Around 85 in Grundy, 83 in Clintwood, 88 in Gate City with 87 showing up in Abingdon. All right, heading into the overnight hours, you can expect temperatures to cool down into the mid-60s to low 60s. Wouldn't shock me if we actually stay around 63, 64 towards the metro. We'll keep an eye on that, but I think when we get the clouds to clear, we'll drop a couple degrees cooler into the overnight hours. And I expect partly cloudy skies, if not mainly clear skies, go into your Sunday morning. Setting up for another nice day on Sunday and another warm one. Hey, if you're heading out to the race this afternoon, the Bass Pro Shops NRA night race kicks off around 7:30 tonight. Expecting warm conditions at the start with the temperatures near the low 80s. No rain, though. That is the nice thing all the way through the end of the race with temperatures cooling down into the upper 60s towards the end around 11 o'clock. Next couple of days featuring more warmth, more heat, and more nice weather, at least as we go through Monday. Temperatures in the upper 80s for Saturday, 90 degrees on Sunday. Solar eclipse on Monday, 85 degrees there. Then a chance of rain returns as we go into the middle to later portion of the work week, especially as we go into Wednesday. How's that eclipse forecast looking? Well, partly cloudy skies, pretty nice and warm, but dry. That's the important thing when you're talking about eclipse weather, and it does happen during the afternoon, 1 to 4 p.m. Starting off, it'll become a partial eclipse, peaking out around 96% in our area. Of course, if you want to see that total eclipse, you have to go a little further south of Knoxville or west of Knoxville, where the sun will be covered 100%. Remember, though, if you are traveling, please leave early. I stress that. Leave early, and treat it as if you are going somewhere and staying there for a while. Bring a little bit of food and water with you, some snacks, stuff like that, because we're expecting anywhere between 336,000 to 1.4 million people to come to the state of Tennessee on Monday. And here's the fun part, Ellie. All of those people are going to try to leave at the exact same time. And we're going to be some of those people trying to leave at the exact same time.
We're going to be right in the middle of it. We're headed to Athens to see the path of totality. So we're going to
probably be stuck in our car for a while. I expect the travel time between Knoxville and the Tri-Cities, especially near Knoxville, to perhaps be doubled sometimes on Monday. So lots of people coming, lots of excitement building, and lots of people that are getting ready down in Knoxville as well.
Yeah, and did you actually know if you're headed to Knoxville to watch the solar eclipse, you might want to bring bug spray?
I'll have to put that in my bag.